Do you have a noise coming out of your front end that bothers you? And especially when you brake, slow braking, like when you're driving slow, and every time the car very much bounce, you're gonna feel like a squeal noise, like e e e, kind of the sound. I don't know if I was able to mimic the noise, but that's the way very much it. You're gonna be gonna suspect the stabilizer bar links, which is that's not the case here. Lower ball joint. It could be the shocks, and it could be the tie rod, either inner or outer, which is not the case here. But the most overlooked things, if you notice here, the stabilizer bar itself cracked. It's right here. See this? There is a crack right here. That's that crazy noise, especially when you turn, when you back up, and when you hit the brake on a slow out of park. If you were parked and you move backward or forward, especially at those moments, you're gonna hear that clicking or squeal noise. It's right here. This could be welded or replaced, the whole sway bar link. Okay, so just I thought to share this with you in case you have the same issue. That's very much it. So this is probably, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna weld it or I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna decide later. But that's where the noise is. You could see this is split. It's very common on the Chevy Impala. That's where the problem is. Very, very annoying noise. Thank you for watching.